Hi all, just me. I thought I'd pop on. I've been working on my mushroom journal and I'm adding pages and signatures, and I'm trying to get my signatures organised, and I don't know about anyone else, but I find that the hardest and the most challenging because I overthink it, and I just, my brain just gets bamboozled. So I thought I'd have a break. I'm working on some embellishments. I found some really old books today that, my mother had when she was a child, and they belong to my grandmother, and they're just old books of like stories and bits and pieces. So I scanned some pages today and I'm making them into embellishments. It could be tags, pockets. I don't know what I'll do with them yet, so I'm kind of doing up a few. And I was watching Gail the other day struggle with ripping, because I don't like a straight edge. I like a little bit of a jagged edge, and she does as well. And I was watching her struggle, and I have the same problem with my wrists and my fingers. And I'm thinking, surely, I wish I had one of those rulers, you know, the serrated edge rulers. And I'm thinking, oh, I wouldn't even know where to get one. And I thought, hang on a minute, I've got some pinking shears here that I use for paper. I bought them off eBay, and yeah, they were just cheap and cheerful, so you get what you pay for. They never cut through material, so I thought that I would just use them for my paper. And I thought I could make my own ruler. So I started off with a thick piece of cardboard. Excuse me, a thick piece of cardboard. So I've made different serrations on different bits and pieces. I tried to mix it up a little. It worked well, but then the cardboard started to get flimsy and bent, you know how it gets soft. Oh, so I thought, well, that's not going to work. And then I come up with another plan. You know when you buy paint brushes or tools and things, and they come in that hard plastic. So I got some of my fancy edged stickers, I don't know whether you can see, and I made myself a textured ruler, and it works a treat. I've made two different sorts. This one here is my favourite, and I thought while I was working on these I would share it with you. I'm thinking about digitally putting some of these in my Etsy store. Just let me know if you'd be interested. They're beautiful images. Look at that. They're absolutely beautiful. Elves, brownies and fairies. I love them. So I've been having fun today. So anyway, let's get into this and I shall show you. I'll move this. And this here is my own original jelly print work. Well, it's not the original, it's a copy of my original. And I'm thinking about digitally, I have trouble with that word, putting them in my Etsy shop as well. So yeah, again, let me know if you'd be interested, and I'll see what I can do. So let me just move these out of the road. And here is one that I've scanned and done. So I'll show you how well this actually works. It works a treat. I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at that. Am I in frame? Let me have a look. Okay. Let's start from here. Okay. I'm going to give that a tear. There we go. So I'm just after the actual flower image itself on these ones. So I'll pull that one off. Give that one a trim. And that one. So I thought I'd come on and share my new ruler with you guys. I'm impressed. I love it. I love it a lot. We'll do this one this way. Little fiddly pieces. Bear with me. There we go. So I like to pinch a little bit off the edges. And I'll just grab my distress ink. I'm just using Vintage Photo for this one. Just give it a little bit of a while I'm working. And this might go in the middle of a tag with a bit of cheesecloth underneath, or a bit of brown paper, maybe some music paper. The world's your oyster, I suppose. And this is just my piece of paper that I do all my bits on. And this eventually gets used as, you know, underneath. I could always put this on top of, that on a piece of brown paper. So, waste not, want not, I say. So there we go. There is my ruler. Oh, excuse my scratch. I was in the garden today. And here, look at that. Look. I'm impressed with myself tonight. And I'm thinking, well done me. So anyway, it's just a nice little handy thing that if anyone wants, see there's a little fancy cut there of my scissors. I haven't tried that edge yet, but this one here is my favourite. Let's just, there we go. So yeah, and once again, let me know if you're interested in any of these vintage prints, and I shall do my best to scan them again. Well, I've done a 300 whatever it is scan, DTP or whatever you want to call it, to put them here, but I've just shrunk them down for what I'm after. Yeah, so there we go. So that's it, guys. This will be it from me until after Christmas, and I wish you all a very, very, very Merry Christmas, and enjoy your time with your family, and stay safe, and I shall see you guys later. And thank you so much to, just a quick thank you to all my new subscribers. I know I've got 35. Yay! I'm very excited. So there we go. Anyway, have a Merry Christmas, guys, and until next time, bye.